Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kantanka Boafo. So my last episode was actually on the same vehicle, Kantanka Boafo, and today I'm right here going to talk to you about the new Kantanka Boafo being built by Ghana's first automobile company, Kantanka Automobile Company Limited. So the first version of Kantanka Boafo, there was absolutely no roof over it, but this one there is a roof over it. I'm going to talk to you more about it, tell you more about its specifications. But remember, if this is your very first time chance my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Boafo Studios. Once again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Kantanka Boafo, this is Boafo Studios, and this is Kantanka Boafo. Now, Now, let's get into it. Okay, the last time today, this video is actually farmers especially farmers and traders of the various markets that we have in this country, Agbogbosi market, Makola market, KJTia, and all the other markets that we have over here. This is Kantanka Boafo. Now, with the Kantanka Boafo, you have this shield over here, this strong shield over here, just like what you are seeing on the screen. This is a very, very strong shield. Nobody is willing or nobody is actually praying for any accident to happen. But accidents, they are actually unforeseen circumstances that happen to us. The reason why you have this to be able to protect the whole body of this vehicle. So you have this strong shield with the African Star logo right here. So this is the African Star logo. You have this right here, and you've got these should I say fog lights right here, giving you the brightness that you need, and these great headlights right here. I mean, come close for them to see. So this is a great headlights being built by Kantanka Automobile Company, and you've got your windscreen right here. You know, you've got this windscreen. With the old one, just like what you are seeing on the screen, there was no windscreen. You know, we're actually giving that out to the general public, but people were saying, Kojo, we needed something, and Kantanka Automobile, we delivered. Now come, let me sit on the bike for you to see something. So this one has the rider seat, and you also have the passenger seat over here. Yes, this is a very strong passenger seat, and you also have your safe. So you have your safe here. Just come and check it out. Come over. So you have your safe right over here. This is your safe where you can actually put certain tools and other belongings over. Now, let me switch on the vehicle for you to check out something. So just check the screen. So this is an electronic screen. Yes, this is an electronic screen, and you have your gears over here. This vehicle is manual. Yes, this machine is a manual vehicle. So this one comes with 5 forward gears and 1 reverse. 5 forward gears, 1 reverse. What does it use? It uses petrol. It uses petrol, and it has a climbing ability of about 35 to 50 degrees. Yes, climbing ability of about 35 to 50 degrees. This one has a very good engine over here. This is a 1-stroke single cylinder engine. 1-stroke single cylinder engine being built by Kantanka Automobile. You are seeing the logo over there. This is built by Kantanka Automobile, and it has, yes, being built by Kantanka Automobile, just like what you are seeing. And it has this, you know, water cooled gallon here. So it has this water cooled gallon, which I mean the automobile maker would say coolant, which cools your engine. It doesn't matter where you go, you can work with this at your farm. And look at the tires. I didn't talk about the tires. Just check out the tires. This is a very strong tire. This is a very, very strong tire. So if you are working in the muddy area, or your farm has got muddy places, This is a strong tie that can actually pass through the muddy area. This vehicle comes with 4 ties. So you have the first two. Yes, you have the first two right here. That is what the cameraman is showing you, and you've got the other ones over there as well. Yes, so you've got the other ones right here as well, just like what you are seeing. So this is the vehicle. It comes with 4.2 one-stroke single cylinder. It uses petrol. It doesn't consume fuel. It means that if you should buy fuel, you could use this for as long as for many days. You understand? Now, I want you to check out something. This is the load capacity. It comes with a load capacity of 1,500 kilogram. Can you imagine 1,500 kilogram of load capacity, or 1.5 tons? That clearly tells you the number of goods or the number of items that you can place over here. 1,500 kilogram. Okay, I know this video is actually meant for farmers and traders, but what about the construction workers? If you're a construction worker, you can also buy this. Yes, if you're a construction worker, you can buy this. 1,500 kilograms. So for construction workers, if you should place sand over here, it means that it has a tipping, or it comes with tipping that can actually offload your sand for you. Come on, let me display that for you to see. So now we are displaying the tipping. Can you see? So that is what you're seeing. This one comes with this tipping, exactly what you are seeing. It can go as high as you want, and you can just take this one off. So you can take this one off like this, and everything comes down for you. You understand? And everything comes down for you. Everything. So 1,500 kilogram, 1,500 kilogram of space. Now, how much is this going for? This is going for a cool 65,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, 65,000 Ghana cedis. This one, 65,000 Ghana cedis, being built by Kantanka Automobile. Now, currently, this is under production, because we are done with the first production and we are doing the second production, which everything is good. We are going to finish with production, God willing, next month, April. If you need this, call the number 0242037429. You can also hit my personal business line on 054-746-2581. I also want to let you know that you have 1 year warranty for factory defects. 1 year warranty for factory defects. Can you imagine? Nobody's gonna do this for you. Now, come and look at something. I just want you to see something. See, just check out how everything is being built. Just check other aspects of the vehicle. Just check out. My goodness. So this is how the wiring and everything looks like. This is how the wiring and everything looks like. This tipping, like I'm showing you, it can go as high. It can really go very high. So you have your roof, you have your tipping, you have your roof, you have your tipping, and you have this right over here. Like, what do you really want? What do you really want? Kantanka, we've told you we are here for you. We are here to meet demand. We are here to do what the Ghanaian populace and what the African populace want. My name is Kantanka Boafo. This car is going for 65,000. Call us and understand that this car is duty free and it's not built by anybody. It is built by ours. It is built by us. So this is not just any car. It is our car. Please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. Like this video for the algorithm to push it for more people to watch it. Kantanka Boafo is here for farmers. Is here for traders. Is here for construction workers. And is here for the industrial workers as well. Bye.